Hi loves, welcome to my channel. I'm Luna La Negra. Today I'll be doing a passion twist on my hair, the rubber band method. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then continue watching. I've actually passed my due date, so I just decided that I should do my hair because anytime from now this baby is dropping and I don't want to get there with my hair looking all messed up. So I decided to do this on my hair. I was really tired, but I said let me do the rubber band method because the rubber band method is very easy to do and it saves you a lot of time. So this is me doing it. I'm just patting my hair any way it comes out. Like I just need to put my hair in something. So I just went ahead and patted my hair in smaller sections and I'm using rubber band to wrap that. Like guys, I'm so tired. After rubbing that, I'm just going to do this all over my head, making sure that the lines are somewhat neat. Like I'm just using the little strength I have to make sure that my head is in this twist. If not, I don't know how I'm going to go to the hospital with my hair looking this messy. Okay, I'll just keep doing that, like just patting my hair in smaller sections and putting it in a rubber band until my whole head is done. After I'm done putting my hair in the rubber band, I just take the passion twist hair and I'm just pulling it out so it's not so it's a little bit stretched out. Then I'll go ahead and use my crochet pin, pass the crochet pin under the rubber band. You open the hook, grab the extension, pull it out. Then after pulling it out, I'm just going to separate my own hair into two, then start rubbing. I'm just going to continue the process. Pass the crochet hook under the rubber band, open the hook, grab the hair, the extension, pull it out. Then after pulling that out, I'm going to separate my own hair into two, then start rubbing it together with the extension. Then I'll just continue rubbing onto the end. I'm going to repeat this process all over my hair until my entire hair is in this braid. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like. Finally done putting this my hair into this twist. Like, I'm so tired. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. And if you like videos like this one, go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and turn on the bell button at the corner. So anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.